Hi all. So in this video we are going to learn about sort and filter options in Microsoft Excel. Sorting is nothing but arranging your data in ascending or descending order. Okay. Filtering is nothing but selecting a particular data from the given table. Okay. So first let me show you the demo for sorting and then we are going for filtering. Okay. So now we are going to sort this table. Okay. So this is in a roll number order. Now I wanted to arrange this according to the total, okay, from highest mark to lowest mark based on the total. For that, first select your data. If you are selecting only a particular row or column, you may get a wrong output because only that particular column will get sorted, means the names will not change. It will be there in the same order, only this will get changed, so that we'll get a wrong output. To avoid that, you just select your full table. Okay, and actually we are having sort and filter option in home tab itself. Under home tab we have sort and filter, but proper way means we have to go to data tab. Here we have sort and filter group. Okay, directly you can go for A to Z or Z to A. So it is doing based on the serial number, the first column. So if you click on this A to Z or Z to A, it will do it. It will sort your data according to the first column. Okay. Now I'm just clicking on Z to A. You can see it is coming from 12 to 1. Okay. So this is one way of sorting. This is if you want to sort your data using the first column, you can do this. But I'm going to sort my data using the total. Now, so that just go to sort, data tab, click on sort button. You'll be getting a small dialog box. It is asking the first one is sort by. So I don't want to sort it by serial number. Just click on this. You'll be getting a drop down list. From this, select total. Just click on total. Sort on is of course cell values, and it is asking whether to smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Okay, a custom list I'll be telling you later. So I'm just going to click on largest to smallest and click OK. Now all our data has been sorted out. So the top mark is 448 and the last mark is 387, and if you check here, even the names are being changed. Okay, so roll number 9 got 448 and this is the first mark. This is one way of sorting. Okay, and suppose if you want to sort it with the name, student name, okay, go to sort by student name, A to Z or Z to A, whichever is your preference, and click OK. See, so again sorted based on the student name. So the only important thing is while doing sorting, select your full table, full data. Only then you will get a proper correct output. Okay. Now I am going to show you what is this custom list. Okay. So custom list is nothing but you can choose your own list. Okay, so now I'm just going to create my own list. So if you check here in alphabet order, it is coming like this. Okay, Ajay, Kartika, Kavya, and then Krisham. Now I'm going to change this order. So in this order, according to this order, I just need to bring Krishu first, comma, then Kartika should come, then Kavya, and at last Ajay. Okay, so this is not in any order. If you take A to Z or Z to A, both are different and this order is different. So I'm just telling the Excel to sort my data in different order, not at all in A to Z or Z to A. Okay, so just click add. Now click on this and click OK. Now click OK. Now our data has been sorted out in the way which we have created the custom list. Okay, so this is third way of sorting our data. Sorting is over here. Next we are going to see filter the data, how to filter the data. Now I'm going to use filter option. Okay, again go to data tab, filter is here. For using the filter tab, you don't need to select any data. Okay, just click on the title, go to filter. That's it. If you click on the filter button, you'll be getting a small boxes. You'll be getting a small boxes like this. Add the right bottom corner of each of the heading. Okay, I just clicked only here, but all my title cells are having this filter button. Okay, now we are going to filter the data. I'm just clicking on this. Again, here you can do sorting. Number filters I'll be teaching you later. Now, all the data whichever is available will be listed here. Okay. Now, click on the select all. All the check marks will be removed. Now, I'm going to select only the marks who got above 400. Okay. So, above 400. The 300 marks I'm not selecting. Now click OK. Now this table is showing me the list of students who have got above 400. Okay. Now if you check the bottom, 9 of 12 records found. Totally 12 students are available in my class and 9 students have got 4 and above 400. Okay. And if you check this triangle, I mean this button now, it is showing a filter button. If you are not all other buttons, okay, which means based on this, we made the filter, okay. And just keep your mouse pointer over here. It is showing a small box with the values we have selected. Okay, now I'm just going to remove this. Okay, I've got all my data back. So this is and doing the filter reversible. Now I need to know how many students have got 100 out of 100 in math. For that, click on math, remove this select all, click on 100, click OK. So here I'm getting the list of students, those who have got 100 out of 100 in math and 5 of 12 record found, which means out of 12 students, 5 students have got 100 out of 100. I mean centrum in math. So in this way, filter is being used. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced filter option. Okay. Thank you. Happy learning.